You know what I mean? Like, you're wanting six figures, just tell me. Like, why should I spend this?
So tell
And
me anything. Don't be specific.
I mean, so I do. So in that, I do the similar. Like when they're like, "What do you mean?" I'll just be like, I mean, pretty much the same thing. I don't know. Tell me, tell me about the property. What's got you looking to sell? And if you want,
Right.
this is a $325,000 decision. I just need to know about it.
Okay.
And she probably would have hung up anyways, but
Just
I mean,
add that to it. Okay.
she hung up anyways. She was just a sound like a Karen, but
I don't know. I thought my tone was pretty decent. I wasn't coming off too strong. I was curious. I was I was
I
gentle. I
the
don't know.
one thing there, like what you were saying there, I agree, but I feel like you could have spoke with more confidence and conviction.
Mm.
Like, you know what I mean? Because it was just like on the call earlier, they was talking to Ishrock about the maybe kind of, I don't know, just tell me something. Like just more of a, especially with her, like she's just fucking like, what do you want to know? I don't like what. I just be more like direct with that seller. You know what I mean?